welcome back to Taking a Page on Reiki, and this is Paige. So glad to have you back here with another episode on more Reiki stuff, more healing stuff, and thank you for joining us. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have anything you'd like to share in regarding the same topic, please feel free to share your thoughts down below, share your comments down below. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, I'm going to jump into today's topic, which is about using Reiki for physical healing. So one of the most well-known benefit of Reiki is definitely using it for physical healing, or using it to improve the condition of our physical body. So yes, Reiki has always shown to have wonderful, almost miraculous effect in helping the physical body to recover. Like since the first day when Master Usui discovered that he can use Reiki to heal his own toe, it has actually helped numerous people who has either no access to physical medicine, or when medical treatment has failed to show result, that Reiki has jumped in and actually assist that person to heal. Nowadays there are even hospitals and clinics that encourages their medical staff to learn Reiki so that they can offer this beneficial healing energy alongside with medical treatment to their patients to speed up the patient recovery process. The important key in utilizing Reiki for physical healing is to use this energy as a supplement to the medical procedures like treatments, therapy, or any other necessary dietary and lifestyle changes. Reiki is not meant to be a replacement. It is never going to be a replacement of medicine and any other medical treatments like surgery, therapies, physical rehabilitation, and many more. Get medical attention if you need one. Meanwhile, use Reiki alongside with those medical treatments to help speed up the recovery process so that you can regain your optimal health in a shorter time possible. I know the temptation is great, to just use Reiki to heal every single issue and aches that your body presents to you. I've been there, I've done that. Okay, to be fair, Reiki itself has helped me through many of those those pains and aches. I have healed myself of sore throats, I have healed myself of flu, I have healed myself of food poisoning, and even healed myself of allergies. I've also used medicine along with some of the above symptoms that I listed. I've also used medicine to help my body to heal, So I would say not use Reiki, mainly to not rely on Reiki is the most important key in using Reiki for physical healing. Use it alongside with whatever that helps you. Use it alongside with your supplement, use it alongside with your food, use it alongside with the medical treatments that you are receiving. That is going to help you to speed up the healing, to see better result in compared to only using Reiki to treat yourself when you are not feeling well. So story time, okay? There was once that I actually had a wisdom tooth issue. I believe many people have experienced it. If you have not, then congratulations, and I hope you the best that you won't have any wisdom tooth issue. But yes, I had one, okay? And before I went ahead and seek out any dentist, I had attempted to send Reiki to my own wisdom tooth to help to calm the pain, to help it to kind of like praying that it won't get worse, that I won't even eventually have to go and remove it. But yeah, eventually I had to go and remove it, and at the time I was in Japan. I did not know any good dentist. I am able to go by daily life, but when it comes to dentist or medical Japanese, I am not that well spoken. But I'm grateful, the whole ordeal of tooth removal, which I eventually had to go through, was smooth. And I thinking about that, sometimes I would think that it is partially thanks to Reiki, because I have been sending Reiki to my tooth for the whole 7 days before I actually go and make an appointment and go to the dentist. Okay, and I also send Reiki to the day itself, to the dentist appointment itself, to the tooth remover. I have sent Reiki to it, and setting intention for it to go smoothly, for it to go painlessly, and for everything to go well. And yeah, like Reiki actually helped, like thinking about that, like that day was miraculous. I got so many affirmation from all the signs that I see. I also managed to find an affordable dentist who is both skillful and patient with me. I was afraid. My dentist was like reassuring me. I was worried about being charged too much, but ended up the fee to remove the wisdom tooth itself is only 5,000 yen, which is approximately $50 USD. And yeah, it's considered cheap, because if I do a wisdom tooth removal in my country, it would probably cost twice the price. So yeah, that was like, to me, it's like a great deal. Okay, and also Reiki has helped the whole removal process to be painless. I did not felt any pain throughout the whole wisdom tooth removal. Okay, and even after the wisdom tooth removal, I did not feel any pain. It was just weird, like there was this like numbness going through. And yeah, like I had heard so many horror story about wisdom tooth removal that I had worried myself like crazy for the 7 days itself. Which is why, like, kind of like those horror story is why I actually delay the the appointment to the dentist itself. But yeah, like it turns out that all my worries, like, it's just unnecessary, because the tooth removal is painless. After the tooth removal, everything is still smooth and painless, and I was able to eat right after. I was even able to eat like a steak like 3 days after the tooth removal, which I was always told like it's impossible after a wisdom tooth removal. Yes, Reiki itself is amazing. It is even miraculous. But there are things that Reiki cannot do. It cannot fix everything. Like in the case of the tooth that need removing, Reiki could not fix it because there's nothing to fix. The tooth is rotten. There is, the tooth has expired its lifespan, and it needed to be taken out, so that there's nothing to be fixed over there. Reiki can't help it. Meanwhile, Reiki that I've been sending myself, I have seen that it is actually helping with the whole tooth removal procedure to be smooth and painless. And for that, I'm certainly very grateful, for the Reiki to help me. I will have to say, like, my Reiki teacher, Yuko Sensei, has given me a very good example on how Reiki works. She actually described Reiki to help anyone or anything that we send Reiki to. Reiki can help to balance out the imbalanced energy. There are only if there are only misalignment, it helps to bring those two frequencies closer together, or acts as a bridge or translator to help the energy to connect, to realign with each other. However, in the case of my decayed tooth, okay, that wisdom tooth, or take an example of a severed limb. If you cut off the limb, there's no misalignment in any of those cases, because the other part of the equation simply does not exist. So that's why no one say that Reiki can help to regrow body parts or something, because we are not lizard. Like, it's not part of our DNA to regrow a part of our limb or part of our body. Who knows though, maybe in the future that we can do that with all the evolution. Maybe in the future, like, we can actually regrow part of our body, and Reiki can help us to do that. But meanwhile, it's not possible yet. Okay, yes, if you are looking forward to learn Reiki to help you to speed up your body recovery process, do it. Okay, use it to relieve your body's aches and pain. Okay, just do it. Just keep in mind that you can't replace one thing with another. Like, energy work is amazing, energy work is miraculous, but it cannot fix every single thing, especially when it has become physical. But yes, if you are looking forward to try out how miraculous Reiki can be, try it out. Hire your local or your trusted Reiki practitioner to help you, or learn Reiki to help yourself to, to see its miracle, to see how much it can help you to better your life. On a personal guideline, okay, I usually would use Reiki to treat myself and the condition that I'm going through, that I'm having. If it does not improve in 3 days, okay, I will seek out medical help. Or if I know that there is some medicine at home, that there is any method like a lifestyle change or diet change that can assist to relieve those symptoms, I would do that and use Reiki to to help alongside to speed up the recovery process. Don't use Reiki as a replacement of any treatments. Use it alongside, and you will see the effect of it to be better. And yeah, you don't need to put yourself through more pain than necessary. If you need medical help, if you need any medical attention, any medicine, so on, go and get them. Like, that's not the end of the world. Like, you do not have to rely on one thing. We have both things. We have medicals, and we have Reiki to assist us, to better our life, to recover quicker. So why not use both? Why not take the best of both things and make our life better, make our life easier. So yeah, like if you resonate with this video, if this video is helpful to give you some insights, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any things you'd like to share, your own experience, your own story, share them below, on the comments. And I look forward to see what you have gone through, how Reiki has helped you to better your life, how Reiki has helped you for any of your physical healing. Looking forward to hear from you soon, and please check back on the next week for more Reiki takes. Okay? See you. Bye.